Have you ever wondered why some people work hard for 40 years and still stay broke? Not lazy people, not stupid people, hard-working people. People who wake up early, people who save money, people who sacrifice everything. Yet somehow, they never escape financial stress. Why? Because many people are living their entire lives based on money lies they were taught when they were young. And the scary part? Some of these lies sound smart, some sound responsible, some are repeated by parents, teachers, friends, even society itself. But today, we're exposing all of them. And number 11, that lie quietly keeps millions of people poor without them even realizing it. So stay till the end, because one mindset shift from this video could completely change your financial future. Welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy videos about money, business, investing, and escaping financial struggle using simple, practical strategies, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. And before we start, comment below what is the biggest money lesson you learned the hard way. I read the comments. Now let's get into it. Lie number 15, money is evil. This is one of the most dangerous lies ever taught, because once someone believes money is evil, they subconsciously push money away from themselves. Think about it. If deep down you believe rich people are greedy, selfish, or corrupt, what happens? Your brain starts associating wealth with guilt. So even when opportunities come, you avoid them. Let me tell you something interesting. Money does not change people. Money reveals people. A generous person with money becomes more generous. A cruel person with money becomes more dangerous. Money is simply a tool. A poor person with good intentions can help only a few people. A wealthy person with good intentions can build schools, support families, create jobs, and change lives. So stop treating money like something dirty. Instead, learn how to use it wisely. Because the truth is, lack of money causes more suffering than money itself. Lie number 14, saving money alone will make you rich. Now don't misunderstand this. Saving money is important, very important. But saving alone is not enough anymore. Imagine somebody saves $100 every month for 20 years. Sounds good, right? But inflation keeps rising. Prices increase, rent increases, food increases. Meanwhile, their money just sits there doing nothing. Now compare that to someone who learns basic investing. Even small investments can grow over time through compound interest. This is why rich people don't just save money, they make money work for them. Here's the sad reality. Many people are experts at saving, but beginners at growing money. And that's exactly why they stay stuck. Start small, learn about index funds, treasury bills, mutual funds, small businesses, digital skills, dividend investing. You do not need millions to start investing. You need knowledge first.
Lie number 13. You need a high salary to become wealthy. This one surprises many people because some high-income earners are secretly broke. Yes, some people earning huge salaries are drowning in debt. Meanwhile, there are average earners quietly building wealth. Why? Lifestyle. A person earning $1,000 and spending $1,100 is poorer than someone earning $500 and investing $100 consistently. Income matters, but habits matter more. A lot of people increase their spending every time they get a raise. New phone, new clothes, new car, more pressure, and suddenly they are trapped again. This is called lifestyle inflation. Have you noticed that some people earn more money every year but still complain about money? Exactly. Because wealth is not only about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. Lie number 12. Investing is only for rich people. This lie has destroyed millions of opportunities. Years ago, investing was harder, but today, you can start with very little money. Some people think investing means buying giant companies or expensive real estate immediately. No. Investing simply means putting your money into something that can grow over time. And honestly, poor people need investing more than rich people, because if you depend only on salary forever, life becomes dangerous. What happens if you lose your job, you get sick, prices double, the economy changes? That's why investing matters. Even investing a small amount consistently is powerful. Remember this. Small money invested consistently beats large money invested randomly. Lie number 11. I'll start investing when I have more money. This is one of the biggest traps. People keep waiting. I'll start next year. I'll start after promotion.
I'll start when things improve. But life always creates new expenses. Always. The problem isn't starting small. The problem is never starting at all. Let me show you something powerful. Two friends decide to invest. One starts investing small amounts at age 22. The other waits until age 35 because he wants to prepare first. Even if the second person invests more money later, the first person often ends up richer because time matters more than amount. That's the power of compounding. Money grows with time, and every year you delay matters. This is why wealthy people value time so much, because time multiplies money. Lie number 10, debt is always bad. Now wait before attacking me in the comments. Not all debt is bad. There is bad debt and good debt. Bad debt buys liabilities, things that lose value. For example, expensive phones you cannot afford, luxury items bought to impress people, loans for unnecessary lifestyle. But good debt? Good debt can create income. For example, business loans, education that increases your income, productive investments. Rich people understand leverage. Poor people are often taught to fear all debt completely. The key is this. If debt puts money into your pocket later, it may be useful. If debt removes money from your pocket, be careful.
Lie number 9. Rich people are just lucky. This belief is dangerous because it removes responsibility. Yes, luck exists, but preparation matters more. Many people only see the success. They do not see the failed businesses, sleepless nights, rejected ideas, sacrifices, years of learning. Success usually looks sudden from the outside, but behind the scenes, it took years. And here's another truth nobody talks about. Poor people often gamble hoping to become rich overnight. Wealthy people usually build systems slowly over time. Slow growth may look boring, but boring often becomes profitable. Lie number 8. School automatically guarantees financial success. Education is important, very important, but financial education is different from academic education. Many intelligent people leave school without understanding budgeting, investing, taxes, credit, business, negotiation, financial planning. That's why someone can have degrees and still struggle financially. The world rewards value. If you solve problems, improve skills, communicate well, and manage money wisely, opportunities increase. Never stop learning outside school. Read books, watch educational videos, learn online skills, study successful people. Your financial future depends heavily on what you learn after formal education. Lie number 7. You must look rich to become rich. This one destroys many young people. Social media made it worse. People feel pressure to look successful before actually becoming successful. Designer clothes, expensive dinners, luxury cars, fake lifestyles. Meanwhile, bank accounts are empty. Real wealth is often quiet. Many financially successful people live below their means. They focus on assets first, not appearances. Here's something painful. Some people spend money they don't have to impress people who don't even care. Don't fall into that trap. Your future is more important than temporary attention. Lie number 6. One job is enough forever. Years ago, maybe. Today, the world changes fast. Technology changes fast. Industries change fast. Depending on one income source only is risky now. That does not mean quitting your job immediately. No, but start building additional income streams slowly. Maybe freelancing, content creation, small online business, investing, affiliate marketing, digital products, side hustles. Extra income creates safety, and eventually freedom. If your main income disappeared tomorrow, how long would you survive financially? That question alone scares many people. Lie number 5. Poor people cannot build wealth. This is the lie that silently destroys dreams. Because once people believe they are permanently trapped, they stop trying. Listen carefully. Many wealthy people started with nothing. Not perfect conditions, not rich parents, not special connections. What changed their lives? Mindset first, then habits, then skills, then opportunities. Wealth building usually starts invisibly. Nobody claps for you when you stop wasting money, you begin learning, you invest small amounts, you improve your habits. But years later, the results become visible. Never underestimate small, consistent progress. Small steps repeated for years can completely change a life.
Lie number 4. Money will solve all your problems. This one surprises people. Money solves money problems, but not every problem. Some people become wealthy but remain unhappy because they ignored health, relationships, peace of mind, purpose. Financial success matters, but balance matters too. The goal is not just becoming rich. The goal is becoming financially free while living a meaningful life. Do not sacrifice your entire life chasing money endlessly. Use money as a tool to improve life, not control it. Lie number 3, it's too late for me. This mindset keeps many adults stuck. Some people are 30 and think life is over. Others are 40 and believe they missed their chance. But imagine giving up for the next 20 years because you feel late today. That makes no sense. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is now. You do not need to become a millionaire overnight. You just need to move forward consistently. Even improving your financial situation slowly changes your future dramatically. Lie number 2, talking about money is bad. Many families never discuss money openly, and because of that, financial mistakes repeat generation after generation. Children grow up without learning budgeting, investing, debt management, wealth building. Money should not be a taboo topic. Healthy financial conversations can change families forever. Teach your children, teach your friends, learn together. Silence around money often creates ignorance, and ignorance becomes expensive. Lie number 1, financial freedom is impossible for ordinary people. This final lie is the most heartbreaking because it kills hope. Financial freedom does not always mean private jets and mansions. For many people, financial freedom simply means paying bills without stress, having savings, investing consistently, sleeping peacefully, having choices, helping family, living without constant fear. And yes, ordinary people can achieve that, step by step, one better decision at a time, one investment at a time, one habit at a time. The truth is, most people do not stay poor because they are lazy. They stay stuck because they inherited wrong beliefs about money. Beliefs shape decisions. Decisions shape habits. Habits shape life. And once your mindset changes, your actions start changing too. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Seriously, picture 2 versions of your future. Version 1 keeps believing the same money lies, keeps delaying, keeps fearing investing, keeps spending without direction. Life stays the same. Now imagine version 2. That version starts learning today, starts investing small amounts, builds better habits, controls spending, develops valuable skills. At first, the changes are small, but year after year, that life becomes completely different. That future starts today. Not tomorrow, not next year, today. If this video opened your eyes even a little bit, hit the like button so more people can see it too. And subscribe for more videos about money, investing, business, and financial freedom using simple, practical strategies. Now, I want you to comment below which money lie shocked you the most. I'll be reading the comments. And remember, your financial future does not change overnight. It changes when your daily decisions change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.